Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn about that how to use format painter in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, what is the purpose of format painter? When you bring your mouse pointer in the PowerPoint presentation on the top on this home tab, click here and you will find all these groups over here. The first group is what? Clipboard group. Here is the format painter. What is the format painter? It will let you to copy the format of the text, not the text. Okay, so first of all you need to select the content with the formatting you like, and then click format painter, select something else, automatically apply the formatting. So let's try. I want to apply this formatting, this one, OCR, optical character recognition. I want to apply this formatting. First step was select this. I have selected this. Now click on format painter. I like this format and I want to apply it on the option A. So click here, and now can you see over here? Now on the left side of this PowerPoint cursor, this mouse pointer, you will see a brush over here. So now click here, click hold, and now apply this to the rest of this option. The way you select the text, the same way you have to apply it. Now release your mouse over here. Done. Successfully applied. But I want to delete this one. Thank you very much. That's how you can apply the formatting. Copy one formatting and apply to the rest of the text. Okay, what if I want to apply this formatting, this one? I like this formatting and I want to apply this over here. This one, let's say this one. First select this formatting, select it. Okay, now click on format painter. Now again select this one. Done. That's it. Bingo. That's how you can copy one formatting to the another on the another text. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care.